God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. This is Christian with How to Be Healed TV, coming to you with Shiba Inu confirmation number 3. We have all seen the great rise of the Solana coin, which is the main coin on the Solana network. This is a fulfillment of prophecy. It was not my prophecy, but it was a fulfillment of prophecy that Solana has gone up exponentially. And on that chain, on that network, is a coin called BONK, BONK. BONK is the meme coin of Solana. Do you hear me? Dogecoin is a meme coin, right? And Dogecoin is the meme coin of the Doge network. All right. So, and I should have said that BONK is the meme token, not a coin, the meme token of the Solana network, the main one. Now, what else do we have? We have Shiba Inu. That is the main meme token for what? Ethereum. Well, I was watching the charts. I was looking at the different percentages of gains on a daily basis that different coins were having. I was monitoring the increases. I was looking at the top movers, the top gainers on the different apps and in the different exchange websites for the decentralized exchanges. And I noticed BONK, BONK. So I submitted that to the prophets that I work with, and there, by stripes I'm healed. And there was a vision that was had by one of the prophets, and they prefer to remain anonymous. They do not want to be mentioned. Okay, and they confirmed that BONK is a prophetic cryptocurrency. I am just sharing the vision that they had, and in that vision, they saw 3 Shiba Inu dogs. The first dog that they saw was Shiba Inu. They also saw these 3 dogs, that they saw them all at one time now, but they also saw BONK, BONK, and they saw Shina Inu. Now there's 2 Shina Inus. We're talking about Shina Inu. Now Shiba Inu is available on most platforms. Okay. Now BONK is also available on most platforms. And Shina, Shina, you would have to get that directly from the Ethereum Network. I'm going to put the contract addresses for all of those in the description. And do be careful concerning Shina Inu and people trying to scam you out of your tokens, out of your cryptocurrency. Make sure that you always go and get your official information from their website. There was a recent scam where people were trying to tell people there's a new version of Shina Inu, which there is not right now in January 2024. But they were trying to scam people. But if you went to the website, you would see that there's no such announcement. Also, while we're talking about the Shiba Inu dogs, if you enjoy what I do here at How to Be Healed TV, go ahead and click that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Turn on all notifications and check back to see if I've posted anything new. Go ahead and comment and let me know what you like most about what I am sharing with you today. Save this video to a playlist so you can refer to it later, and share this with your friends and family who you feel will be helped by the content. If you have been helped by How to Be Healed TV and you are able and willing to support financially, please consider sending an offering via Cash App to # How to Be Healed TV, via Venmo at Christian E. Diggs, via Zelle to howtobehealedtv@gmail.com, or by PayPal to howtobehealedtv@gmail.com. Make sure you select sending to a friend, not goods or services. And if you would like to donate cryptocurrency, you can do that via Shiba Inu, and the donation address is on the screen and in the description. If everyone who watches my videos gave $2, today's budget would be met. All right, love y'all in Christ. Let's get back to talking about these amazing Shiba Inu cryptocurrencies. Also, while we're talking about the Shiba Inu dogs, I want to point out to you that on Coinbase, there are only 3. Let me say it again. There are only 3 meme tokens on Coinbase. Coinbase, it has very stringent requirements, and they will delist a token or a coin or a cryptocurrency quick, fast, and in a hurry. What are the 3 meme tokens that are on Coinbase at this time? They're all what? Shiba Inu dogs. All right, those 3 specifically are Shiba Inu, BONK, and Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a prophetic coin. All right, but my focus is on Shiba Inu. I also have BONK, and I have some Shina, Shina, Inu. Okay. Also, you need to take everything I'm telling you to the Lord. All right, just because a prophet says something, you need to have what? Confirmation from God. You need to only do what God tells you to do with your money. And this is a great time to say, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You need to ask God what you need to do with your money and what you need to do to receive the healing that Jesus has already paid for you to have. In addition to that, there are several other Shiba Inu dogs that you may want to pray about. Now, I've been warned by a prophet against Shila Inu, Shila Inu. So you need to ask God what to do with your money. There's another Shiba dog entitled Knob, Knob, which is bonk, literally backwards. Okay, that coin has done some things. Pray about it. A prophet did give that to me, and I did make some good money off of it. But you need to ask God what you should do with your money. There's another coin that is a Shiba Inu dog that you need to ask God about, and that dog has the name of Floki Inu. Floki, Floki. All right, it's Loki with an F in front of it. Okay, now Loki is a false god. I don't know if you want to invest in that. Sometimes God will have us invest in certain things so that we're there ahead of time before the world gets into it. And then when they get into it, what happens? Wealth transfer. But you need to ask God what you should do concerning that. And of course, you would never invest in anything that is producing wrongdoing, hurting, or harming anyone. Well, we know that for a fact. So I would not invest in an alcohol company, okay, or a cigarette company. All right. That being said, there's another Shiba Inu dog entitled Dogelon Mars. You need to ask God what's going on with that dog. Something is going on with these Shiba Inu dogs. You need to ask God. Love y'all in Christ. God bless you with every blessing. In Jesus' mighty name. If you watch the video all the way to the end, put that fox emoji in the comments. That fox looks like a Shiba Inu dog. All right, love y'all in Christ.